สวัสดีครับ Good afternoon, all participants. Tomorrow's session have we seen about the greenhouse gas emission. This is become a challenge in many countries. So to achieve the government target to reduce emission gas, support from local, this is very important. So today I would like to talk about the low carbon society. This is a Khon Kaen municipal scenario. To reduce emission from each city or society, this is depend on the background of each city. This is in northeast region. There are many different in background of the city. Also in whole of Thailand too. In the northeast, in the central or in the south of Thailand. To achievement to reduce greenhouse gas to meet the target. So we will concern about the city to city. So Khon Kaen maybe for example, Khon Kaen province or Khon Kaen municipality is a big city in the northeast region of Thailand. So for the strategy of Thailand, Khon Kaen is in the east-west corridor and north-south corridor. And Khon Kaen, this is is a center for development in many sectors like transportation center, education center, medical center, science technology center, information technology center, software parks, human resource and development, tourist center, mines and tourist, domestic tourists and industrial parks may be cost in the near future. So the growth of municipal from Thailand, it will be growth expanding. So they become many problems of environment, and so the greenhouse gas emission production is a big problem for Khon Kaen municipality too. So the problems that was happened in Khon Kaen, this is such as flooding in of wastewater treatment plant in 2011. This is and we have the problem of drought for raw water resources, and this has become in problems or confliction in the water drainage. Excuse me. For example, this is Khon Kaen municipality. This is here. This is the area, but this is the direction of water drainage. This is wastewater treatment plant here. The neighbor municipality, this is the water run off from this direction. So Khon Kaen municipality have a construction a gate to protection the water drainage or water runoff from this way. So in the heavy rain, maybe sometimes the Khon Kaen municipality close the gate. So the problem is we have in this neighbor municipality. This is the flooding here. So there are many conflict. This is, for example, now they can negotiation. So this is a problem that happened in Khon Kaen municipality. So in draft of water resource, we have also a problem between agricultural area and industrial area. So in industrial sector and agricultural sector, we have confusion too. So this is year by year to manage the water resource in Ubon Ras Dam. So we have a committee from many parts to manage the water for the requirement of each sector. So greenhouse gas emission, this is a study from Professor Sirinthorn Thep from KMUTT. This is the greenhouse gas emissions for all of province Khon Kaen. We can the study divide in 5 sections. This is freight transport. Excuse me. Freight transport. This is the light blue, and this is passenger transport and industrial, commercial, and residential. This is the energy consumption. The main consumption, this is transportation, both of the freight transportation and passenger transportation. This is the best year for the study. This is the forecasting based on business as usual or BAU. This is we will see that the transportation, this is grow rapidly, especially in passenger transportation. So in the 2050, the emission gas from industry, and this is very grow up very rapidly compared with another section. So this is the greenhouse gas from waste management activities to Khon Kaen Municipal in waste management from solid waste management and wastewater. We have problems too, especially in solid waste management. We have a lot of problems that we cannot use sanitary landfill. Not the site is become open dumping. So the emission from greenhouse gas from waste treatment, this is a big problem in Khon Kaen Municipality too now. And the agricultural, greenhouse gas, this is area. This is the main part of greenhouse gas. This is enteric fermentation from agricultural area. This is purple, and another. This is price. This is very small when compared with another. And the greenhouse gas emission from land use and land use change. The land use change. This is normally this is mean green area. This is become reduction when in the future. So this is the sink of greenhouse gas. They absorb greenhouse gas in the base year. This is they can absorb very much greenhouse gas. But when the area is reduced, the absorption of greenhouse gas is reduced too. And this is the projection of greenhouse gas emission again. And you see that this is the absorption of greenhouse gas. The blue one is the base year. This is 2005, and this is the projection year in 2030 and 2050. This is the green one. We have seen that in the future we projection that the land use or the green area in the municipality or in the province will be reduced. So the greenhouse gas will be reduced, will be absorbed. Is reduction too, and this is the transportation, this is in the future, this is maybe the main source of greenhouse gas emission. And the second is the commercial and industrial sector, respectively. For the mitigations of greenhouse gas emission, Khon Kaen Municipality have 4 strategy. This is according to the cooperation with the National Municipal League of Thailand. So the first strategy is Green City. This is to protect and increase green area, and to maintain and improve green area, and to create green area awareness. The activities, this is including education, supporting for botany and gardening activities, surveying and mapping big trees, because the tree and calculation how they can absorb the greenhouse gas. And the second strategy is Clean City. This is to reduce solid waste, to reduce wastewater, and to reduce air pollution. The activity now, there are a campaign of zero waste office and waste separation recycling networks, waste composting, and hazardous waste collection. And the third strategy is City of Energy Care. This is to reduce energy consumption, to increase renewable energy. The activity now, this is the shuttle bus and carpool. They use in municipality office, and also Khon Kaen University use this activity too in the shuttle bus in the university. Saving energy office, they change, the municipality change the lamp. This is the lamp in the market, and they change the lamp in the office too. Khon Kaen, both in Khon Kaen Municipality office and Khon Kaen University too. And the fourth strategy is Living Sustainable City, to promote low carbon city, to support and promote environmental friendly living. The activity now, they imply sufficient consumption, environmental friendly products. That, for example, they have a campaign to coordinate with a restaurant to not using foam packaging. And they have now just begin in last month. This is organic products from farming in Khon Kaen Municipality. And for purchasing, they use a product is environmental friendly products. They support they too for and purchase in the office. Okay. Now this is for the activity and projection. This is the greenhouse gas reduction. This is estimation. This is they can evaluation how to reduce how much the greenhouse gas to reduction. Okay, thank you for your attention.